is a Nigerian female professional video striker and former head coach of the Nigerian national team from 2010 to 2011. And also we have the Tony Boy, all of the candidates eager to be in a special position. Congratulations, Your Excellency. The ex-internationals are now stepping the field.
I want to thank my wife and her co-conspirators who have tried to think that they have deceived me. Okay, you have won today. Who knows what will happen tomorrow? I went out with my friend, the governor of Adamawa State, to go and see some people. So we came down, and Judge Morgan told me that, look, that this fence that I told them to do, but they are not too clear. So it's good for them to show me whether what they directed them is correct. And you know, because I like construction, so I followed them, not knowing that all the money I've been paying them, they have used for conspiracy, and not knowing that tomorrow anything can happen. So I just go there. I said, let's go see where I want to. It's okay, no problem, but let us. I said, where? Then I play her trumpet and this and that. I thank you. So I thank you for celebrating my birthday. So I thank each and every one of you who have come around here to wish us happy birthday. But what is key to us, like I've said, I have dedicated it's my birthday to make sure that whoever that's going to succeed me will be for the interests of the Rivers people. Will be for the interests of the development of Nigeria. When God gives you 1 year, you need to thank Him. Even 1 day, you need to thank Him. In every hour, in every second, in every day, you survive. That you need to thank God. But thanking God is not only coming like this to drink champagne, to drink gin tonic. It's also to go to church and thank God. So, my dear wife, let me thank you. Thank you very well. But now that I'm knowing your co-conspirators, it will not happen again. Now they have been identified. And thank my dear sister, because she's from River State. I'm married to my friend, the governor of Oyo State. I sincerely thank you for coming down to identify with us. But frankly speaking, I thank everybody. Here, and that's why I told my wife, here is a community where Christmas, Easter, we organize football, table tennis, handball, squash, whichever one you can participate. For those of us who are from this village, this is our village. This is our village. So every December, Easter, we have competition. Boys, girls, if you want to play football, it's there for you. If you want to play sports, and sometimes too, from there, they begin to like themselves. You never can tell. At the end of the day, you see invitation. My daughter, my son is wedding. And you go to the place, you find out that where did they meet is in the sports complex, which is also a very good thing. Let me thank my friend, but let me thank him coming all the way from Adamawa since yesterday to give us support. And unknown to me, I came down with him, not knowing that he has been cornered. And they told him, look, follow him, just make a note of follow him. And he bought into what they were saying. So let me thank him. He's been very, very supportive. when he was commissioning the project today, he said how we met. We've never been close until 2017. We've never been close until 2017, when, of course, politics, you have to do one thing or the other. So that's why we started working together, and we have always worked together. So I want to thank you for your patience to see me here since morning. Let me thank my leaders from the state. In fact, when Chief Alabama called me last night, I was upstairs. In fact, I was wearing my nightie to do some work. I saw his big call. I said, Chief, what is this? Oh, is there a problem? He said, no. That was 11:30 or something, but to 12. So if you can't see such a call, you don't know whether the man has been attacked or whatever for rescue mission. So I now called him back. I said, Chief, what's the problem? Is there anything? He said, no, you want to see me now. I said, what's the problem? He said, no, until he comes. In fact, it's a problem that one or two persons will do. I said, okay, come. And I went and dressed, wore my jeans, came down. And not to me, he came with everybody. I said, Chief, what is it? He said, no, but I should know that it's almost 12 now. And today is my birthday. So he let them go CJ. In fact, I was telling him, how do you go back? I think they must have left around 3 a.m. Former governor, speaker, Eberechi Suzzette, all of them. And I want to sincerely, Osnapara, Limeba, KK, that's the secretary to government. So we all stay together, and I want to sincerely thank them. So all of you who bought cake and the rest of it, I want to thank all of you. And that God is infinite mercy will lead you back home. Those of you have not seen you before, I've been for years now. I thank God for seeing you. So, thank you, and God bless you.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.